And the distribution at Galilee Baptist is a prime example of how more and more vaccinations are taking place in the community at churches.
NBC6's Zainiria Bird joins us now live outside of Galilee Baptist, sharing details on this important outreach. Zai, good evening.
Good evening, Dan and Jackie. After speaking with these pastors, they both say that these churches are used as a trusted voice and space. Black churches in Shreveport are playing an important role in the fight against COVID-19.
I think the church has to be in that space as a trusted voice and as a trusted space in partnership with people who know what they're doing.
Morning Star Baptist Church and Galilee Baptist Church serve as two testing locations for COVID-19 in Shreveport. Pastor Theron Jackson of Morning Star says they have to be a place of trust due to past history.
There is a legitimate history, whether you talk about Tuskegee and other places where science has not proved itself always to be trustworthy. I think very often the onus is put on the community to trust, but I think the science community has got to understand their need to become trustworthy.
He says that's why the church has a responsibility to educate the community.
So we have to create a culture that's not just one of emergency medicine, receiving care, but being a part of the development of care is important.
And Galilee Baptist Church will serve as a vaccination site for COVID-19 on Thursday. Pastor Brian Wilson says this will provide better accessibility for community members to get the vaccine.
Using the facilities that God has blessed us with as a location, the different medical centers and organizations, kind of get those services to the people where they live in.
Pastor Jackson also serves on the Louisiana COVID-19 Health Equity Task Force. He says having the vaccine site at Galilee is a great model for when vaccines are available to more people. Both pastors say accessibility is important.
I think education is one way that we've been able to reach our community, and accessibility. I think all churches, do it in different ways. I mean, we have some unique circumstances. We've been blessed with a lot here. So, I feel like it's a responsibility for us to use what God has given us to make things accessible and to educate as much as possible.
And if you do not have the ability to pre-register online for other locations, you can still get vaccinated right here at Galilee Baptist Church on Thursday. Reporting live in Shreveport, I'm Zainiria Bird, NBC6 News.
All right, thank you, Zai.